Measuring tape they use for clothing because it's flexible. I really recommend one of these. Not the specific name, but the size of the construction and the steps of how it is gonna be. I use my measuring tape and I measure. I kind of, I'll find my center mark, like so the center point would be 11. So then our holes where they should approximately be the same. So for example, this one I could definitely, so my dots are actually going to be right here, for example. Depth of your tub. So depending on how much substrate you use, my depth would probably be, so yeah, that would be perfect right there. So 5 inches away from the bottom. Okay, now the next step to this process is gonna be your bulldozer or your tool that's gonna drill the hole for you. Your drill bit, make sure it's on type. Start in the reverse. Also for instance like that. Make the initial. These can be cracked very easily. So it kind of makes it easy. So it's gonna be a really. You can always put micropore tape on it. And then I go reverse. One thing you want to do too is you want to go and crack the tub. Sometimes we'll put it in forward carefully as possible. Boom, that's perfect. And then you go in reverse to score it, and then the opposite side on forward, but very, very carefully. You could crack, the hole, or you might just crack the tub in general. The whole process once I'm done, and so forth. You're gonna want to do it in pulses, because the old way I used to do them, that's how you crack your tubs. So what you want to do is, what I've learned, 4 times ready, but you're gonna want to go drill the hole in forward. But don't take your mind there with the drill in reverse. So once you have that hole in size, in pulses, that way you do not crack your tub. I repeat, other side, reverse until you score the hole, and then from there you do not crack your tub. I repeat, follow those steps and you will not crack your tub. My tub, no cracker tutorial. Now to clean it up and throw the micropore tape on it. But yeah, that's how you, later on I'll show a video of like once you line it up with the liner. Watching my tutorial video. Young Michael Pillar, over and out. This last step is optional, but one thing I like to do like beforehand, since I just bleach or Lysol or isolate, I have it in a continuous mist bottle. These you can easily find on Amazon, just local hardware supply store. But yeah, microparticles of plastic out from the inside. Inside of it is sanitized, but just don't breathe like me right now, cuz. But yeah, that's that step. And now this is the actual final step. If you want it to look clean, I recommend use a very sharp blade, like a pocket knife, or else it's gonna happen at the top. And you want to make a glaze, like a piece that I can cover the hole. And then this, I do report tape, just to have it prepped. I like to prep my tubs, and then when I make them, I know everybody. So sometimes you just have to experiment for like one person, because it depends on your area, and then also, and we just get to figure out and see what works, and then it's just always the best result. Now I'm gonna have to recut this. So I just cut a fresh piece. Oh, it looks done, well done. It's like that saying, it's better to do it right. Prep my my tubs. Now last hole. Young Michael Pillar over and out. Wait for the next.